Hi, my name is Izzy, and this is my friend Olivia, and we are at Sawmill Auto. We're going to show you around the Honda Odyssey. So this is how you take the channel changer out of it. You're going to press this button. It's going to go like that, and you bring it down like that. You press this to turn it on and off. This is how you start it, or it starts up by its own. This is how you skip, and this is how you go backwards. This is how you turn up the volume, and this is how you go down and up. This is the title stroll. This is how to pause it, and this is how to select your movie if it has a little intermission thing. This is the light. And this is how you put it back in. Just like that. Just push it. And then you press this button and there you go. And now it has its own power lift gate. Look! And if your family's even bigger, we have this at Sawmill.